Garage Automotive, subscribe now.
Infiniti declared that it will offer new jolted vehicles beginning in 2021. Nissan chief Hiroto Saikawa said that its extravagance image will assemble its first all-electric auto in 2021, and in addition new e-power vehicles, arrangement crossbreeds with batteries charged by gas generators. Nissan has presented e-power vehicles in different markets, including the Note e-Power and the Serena e-Power minivan. Presently it will stretch out that innovation to infinity, giving a comparative driving knowledge to an EV with the comfort of a gas-fueled vehicle. Infiniti likewise said that we can expect lovely vehicles like the Q Motivation idea they appeared at the 2018 Detroit Automobile Fair. Infiniti doesn't anticipate creating the Q Motivation, yet it will positively impact future vehicles as far as both styling and innovation. The Q Motivation utilizes variable pressure innovation, which the organization plans to use to enhance efficiency and execution of its gas-controlled autos. Infiniti expects half of its worldwide deals to be electric vehicles by 2025. It's uncertain whether the automaker is lumping a range of mixtures into the electric vehicle class. And keeping in mind that it's absolutely impossible that Infiniti will discharge a generation form of its all-electric Model 9 EV, seen above, will clutch that fantasy at any rate.